정수기, 비데,
타이어, 매트리스, 안마의자,
유모차라든지 장난감 많이 렌탈 이용하더라고요.
Necessities for your home: water purifier, bidet, and air purifier. It is an era of rent. Why rent? Because it is difficult to manage things. But why not rent a dashcam? Is your dashcam not working? You could have a problem if you do not check it. It needs regular checkup. That's why we started the first and the only rental care service in dashcam industry. CHANUN, the premium dashcam made by a semiconductor company. CHANUN technology and know-how enables a regular checkup of your dashcam. $20 million dashcams have been sold in Korea, but an increasing number of people report problems. Why don't some dashcams work at a crucial moment? Because it is essential to check them regularly. The first reason to check dashcam is temporary memory card. Memory cards are consumable, so if they outlived their lifespan, videos are not saved. That is, you have to check your dashcam every time. The second reason to check dashcam is update. Because the dashcam contains a variety of software, it needs to be updated from time to time. But you might not want to do or know this. After all, it is inconvenient and hard to maintain its best condition. There is another reason to take care of your dashcam. Most dashcams have a warranty period of a year. There is no way you are only going to have an accident within that period. Also, no one replaces their dashcam once a year. If you used yours over a year, you might never get it checked. That is why we started a rental care service for the first time. You will get unmatchable services during the 39-month period. First service is our installation service. A specialist will visit you and install it at a desired time. Second service is our checkup service. Visiting your place for a checkup. A specialist will visit you and check your dashcam at a desired time. Not just wiring, but also updating your firmware. Third service, free memory card exchange. Memory card is very expensive, but CHANUN replaces your old memory card with a new one during rental care service period. Fourth service, free exchange of broken accessories. Fifth service, we will lend you a temporary dashcam while you receive customer service. Sixth service, our lawyer will consult your dashcam videos in case of an accident. Premium dashcams CHANUN, made by Semi Solution, a semiconductor specialist that has led the custom semiconductor industry in Korea. Services only available by a system semiconductor specialized company. Services that keep the dashcam in my car in optimum condition. CHANUN Rental Care. We will thoroughly check your dashcam 24/7. No more worries. All you need to do now is safe driving.